Okay, so if you are struggling with your reflections, we have added some extra support for you this year. So when you log in to ManageBac and you select the activity, okay, that you've completed, you'll come to this on the reflection page. Now, normally you would write your reflections in the reflections and evidence section, okay, that we spoke about. But if you're struggling to construct them, then you can use the essay questions, okay. And if you answer these 5 services action questions, this will essentially formulate an alternative to a reflection for you. So they are about which ATLs you have developed during this experience, how did you achieve the learning outcomes you selected, which compassionate learning systems did you use during this activity, which attributes of the IB learner profile have you developed during this experience, and then also how have you become more of a global citizen through this service experience. If you answer these 5 questions and then click Save Changes, okay, this is an alternative and an easier way to do your reflections.